Top trending hashtags to boost Instagram growth 2025. Want to explode your Instagram engagement in 2025? Stick around. I'm dropping the hottest hashtags to grow your likes, reach, and followers fast. Let's go. Section 1. General growth hashtags. First up, these are general hashtags that work across almost every niche to boost visibility. Hashtag Explore Page. Hashtag InstaDaily. Hashtag IG Growth. Hashtag InstaGood. Hashtag Viral Reels. Hashtag Instagram Tips. Hashtag Social Media Growth. Hashtag Content Creator. Hashtag Reel It Feel It. Hashtag Trending Now. Point. Use 3 to 5 of these on every post or reel to tap into trending discovery. Section 2. Engagement boosters. Now for hashtags that encourage likes, comments, and saves. Hashtag like for like. Hashtag comment below. Hashtag save this post. Hashtag double tap. Hashtag engagement boost. Hashtag real engagement. Hashtag support creators. Hashtag IG Reels 2025. Hashtag boost my post. Hashtag content lovers. Point. Combine these with strong calls to action like drop a red heart if you agree. Section 3. Niche-specific hashtags. Target your audience with hashtags by niche. Here are a few hot ones. Lifestyle/fashion. Hashtag OATED. Hashtag fashion reels. Hashtag style inspo. Food/recipes. Hashtag foodie reels. Hashtag tasty reels. Hashtag home chef. Fitness/wellness. Hashtag fit reels. Hashtag workout of the day. Hashtag mind body reels. Creative/design. Hashtag art reels. Hashtag creator mode. Hashtag design inspo. Point. Mix 3 niche-specific hashtags with 2 trending general tags. Section 4. Trending hashtags for 2025. Here are the freshest hashtags gaining momentum right now in 2025. Hashtag Reels 2025. Hashtag Viral Now. Hashtag Daily Reels. Hashtag For You Reels. Hashtag Content Wave. Hashtag Trending 2025. Hashtag Next Level Content. Hashtag Scroll Stopper. Hashtag Insta Momentum. Hashtag Creator Hub. Point. These change monthly. Use a mix of new ones weekly to stay current. That's your hashtag Power Pack. Use them smart, mix them up, and watch your growth take off. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment boost below for a free hashtag bundle.